Are you dreaming of traveling the world but think you don't have enough money? Well, think again. In this video, I'll show you how to travel on a budget or even for free, so you can turn your travel dreams into a reality. I'll share some creative ways to save money on accommodation, transportation, and activities, allowing you to stretch your budget and extend your travels. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or missing out on incredible experiences. It's about finding value and making the most of your resources. So, if you are ready to explore the world without breaking the bank, stay tuned and join me on this budget travel adventure. First on our list is Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms. It's a platform that allows you to work on a farm in exchange for free accommodation and meals. So this makes it a very affordable way to explore a destination, connect with nature and meet interesting people. Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms has hosts in about 130 countries, including popular destinations in Europe, America, Australia, New Zealand, and many other popular places. So check the link in the description below for their website and take a look what they can offer. One more platform that is very similar to the first one is Workaway. It's a popular platform that connects travelers with hosts around the world who offer volunteer work for opportunities in exchange for accommodation and sometimes meals. It allows individuals to engage in cultural exchange, learn new skills, and contribute to various projects or activities while traveling. On Workaway, hosts can list a wide range of opportunities, including organic farming, permaculture, language teaching, community projects, hostel work, house sitting, and more. Travelers can browse through the listings and find placements that match their interests and desired destinations. The website provides detailed profiles of hosts and volunteers, including information about the project, location, duration, and expected tasks. It also allows users to read reviews and ratings from previous volunteers, providing insights into the experiences shared by others. To join Workaway, users need to create a profile, pay a nominal membership fee, and gain access to the platform's extensive database of hosts and opportunities worldwide. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in local cultures, make meaningful connections, and have a unique travel experience while minimizing expenses. Apart from various platforms, there are also many other ways that we can save money while traveling. One of them is cooking your own meals. To save money while traveling, try cooking your own meals. At booking accommodations, choose hostels or accommodations with kitchen facilities. If you're couchsurfing or using Airbnb, chances are your host will provide access to the kitchen. No kitchen available? Bring your own container and cutlery and prepare sandwiches and salads on the go. Remember, not every meal requires a stove. You don't have to eat out for every meal just because you're traveling. Skipping a day of eating out won't ruin your trip to Paris. There is no need to spend excessive money on food while traveling, and you will be surprised how much money you can save. Consider utilizing rail passes, such as the EU Rail Pass in Europe or JR Pass in Japan, to reduce expenses on train travel. If you plan to explore the region extensively, rail passes generally offer more cost savings compared to purchasing individual tickets. Booking individual train trips in advance can often secure approximately 50% savings on the ticket price, but this restricts you to a fixed schedule. If you prefer flexibility and don't want to be tied to a specific timeline, opting for rail passes can be a budget-friendly choice, allowing you to save a significant amount of money while enjoying the freedom to plan your journey. Take advantage of city tourist cards when exploring a city with numerous attractions. These cards provide discounted or even free entry to major landmarks, museums, and often include complimentary public transportation. These underutilized money-saving gems can be found at the local tourism office, where knowledgeable staff can answer your queries and ensure maximum savings. While not available in every city, most popular destinations offer such cards, enabling significant cost reductions when visiting prominent sites. Here is a list of websites to use for free accommodation. Take advantage of services that facilitate free accommodation by connecting travelers with generous locals. These platforms offers various options ranging from a spare room to a couch or an air mattress, all without any cost. It's a good practice to show gratitude to your host by cooking a meal, bringing a souvenir from your home country, or treating them to a drink. These gestures are significantly more affordable than paying for accommodation. Additionally, local couchsurfing group meetups provide opportunities to make friends in your new city even if you don't require a place to stay. You can use the app to meet people and engage with local insiders, fostering connections and enriching your travel experience. Explore the cost-effective option of hitchhiking, a widely practiced and relatively safe mode of transportation in various parts of the world, including Central America, Scandinavia, Eastern Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. While hitchhiking may have a negative reputation in North America, applying common sense and a little patience can enable you to hitchhike in almost any location, leading to significant savings. Here are a few basic tips to help you get started. First, use a sign. Create a clear sign indicating your destination to help drivers assess if they can assist you. Second, present yourself well. Wear clean clothes and avoid obstructing your face so the drivers can see you clearly. Third, check local laws. Ensure that the hitchhiking is legal in the area you are and by familiarizing yourself with local regulations. Fourth, take precautions. Take a note of the license plate of any vehicle that picks you up and send it to a friend as precautionary measure for added safety. Fifth, keep valuables on your person. Do not leave any valuable belongings in your bag if it is placed in the trunk, as it could be accidentally left behind or subject to theft. Sixth, consult HitchWiki. HitchWiki is a comprehensive hitchhiking resource that provides valuable tips and information on safe hitchhiking locations. Always refer to it before embarking on your hitchhiking journey. Discover the city. Familiarize yourself with its layout and explore prominent attractions by joining free walking tours. These tours are readily available in most major cities. Seek information from the local tourist office, your hostel staff, or simply search online for free walking tour in city name. These tours provide a comprehensive introduction to the city and grant you the opportunity to engage with a knowledgeable local guide who can answer your questions. Personally, I make it to a point to begin my exploration of a new city with a free walking tour. Remember to show your appreciation for your guide's expertise by leaving a tip at the end, as this is how they earn their income. And that's a wrap for today's video on how to travel the world on a budget. I hope you enjoyed all the tips and tricks I shared with you. Remember, it's not about how much money you have, but how smartly you use it to make your travel dreams come true. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and adventures. And if you have any questions or additional budget travel hacks, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you.